How to remove background using Photopea. Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how easy it is to remove your background pictures using Photopea. So first of all guys, open up Photopea on photopea.com, then upload the image you want to remove the background to. For example, we want to remove the background for this picture right here. All you guys need to do is click on this option right here, which is called the magic one, and then click on this one, the second option, quick selection. Because I think this is the easiest way to kind of like go for it, especially for beginners. So now what you need to do is just click or select the object or image you want, and there it is. As you can see how it is perfectly selected. So you just need to go ahead to the selection tool, and you can also go with auto select, or you can just select our image right here. So once you select the object or the image, you will separate the image and the background easily. Also guys, there's another easier option for you. There's a website called Remove BG, and it is super easy to use. All you guys need to do is to copy or paste your image, or to click on upload image right here, and then you will remove the background for you perfectly. So guys, that is it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. That will be much appreciated. Thank you for watching. Take care. Until next time.